Okay, so I would like to write a project for Erasmus Plus. Maybe I should check online. Yeah, let me Google it. Wait. No, maybe I should. Yeah, maybe I should read from the previous project. There's a lot of responsibilities, a lot to organize. I'm not sure that I'm doing the right things. Okay, maybe let me write an email to the organizer. Oh, maybe I can call my friend Dimitris. Hey!
Kalimera from wonderful Greece, Lula. As you see, I'm on a beach, even though it's February. So, I heard you want to organize a project. That's a wonderful news. For me, not only being a part of something great, but also being the one that creates it, and all the wonderful feedback and love you get from your participants, it's one of the most amazing experiences you can have in your life. But don't take my word. I will send you to Florin, my Romanian friend. She can tell you all about it.
Salutare Lula, I'm Florin from Romania, and I come from a rural community. This was my only friend before doing youth exchanges, but now I travel all over Europe. I found different cultures, I experienced a lot of stuff, and now I'm a youth worker and I love my job. It is amazing. And Lula, if you don't believe me, I'll pass you to my friend Judit from Hungary.
Hello, Ka. Hi, Lula. I'm Judit from Budapest, and I've heard from my friend Florin that you're interested in Erasmus Plus, maybe organizing one project. Yeah, I just had my first project, and it was a great experience because I had a very unique topic for myself, and suddenly I wasn't alone. I had this bunch of people with the same interest, and it was amazing. Connections are important. Like my friend Davide, I'll pass you to him. He's an expert.
Ciao Lula, come stai? Building my project during the years, I create a big international network all over Europe, and it has been very useful with my work. If you have an idea I'd love to hear about, and I can hook you up with the right people, let's do something together.
Hi guys, are you ready? Okay, let's do my first project. Wow. Let's go!